guys, so it's a little bit later now. It's like 12:30. I have managed to finally make myself something to eat, function, whatever you want to call it. Hold on, I'm gonna have to flip this egg, but they're popping. I really try to not be like a person that's wasteful with food. I've noticed during quarantine I was cooking a lot. I was always like making things for myself, but I feel like ever since I got my air fryer, like that's it. Like I don't want to cook anything anymore. Which sounds really, well, I'm gonna put this in the freezer. Keep putting stuff on it now ever since I scratched part of it, which I'm like, oh my god, no! But since quarantine, like I was obsessed with making egg sandwiches and grilled cheeses and wraps, and then I just kind of fell off it. I think it's that thing where certain people have, if you get sick of something, that's it, you don't want anything else. I don't know what I was trying to say. I just got distracted because Alba texted me. I don't know what's happening with that right now. Watching some Gabby DiMartino Fancy Vlogs by Gab, cooking my eggs, hoping I get them cooked through because I can't stand when, oh, they're burning. I hate burnt eggs, so we're gonna get that off there. Trying to make like an egg wrap thing. Case in point, I used to cook all the time, and then when I buy things, I don't use them. The bread that I bought and I store in the fridge now because it's easier. Trying to be, Hello. She had a pop. I'm trying to be more efficient with food and everything now, especially since inflation's happening, but it's still difficult. I don't know how to explain it. I don't want to be wasteful. And I know it also drives David crazy because I'm trying to not be wasteful with food, but sometimes it's just still hard. But I made a little egg wrap, egg and cheese wrap. So we're gonna eat that, and I'm gonna answer Alba because she just texted me finally, and it's 12:30 in the afternoon. So wah. Whatever. I really don't care. Hi guys. So another part of my day. Hello. I've been sitting on these for a while, and I've been wanting to try. I wanted to do it for a video. We're just gonna make it into a vlog. I am terrified. You guys know I bought this. This was honestly kind of impulsive. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. This is the Kissfalscara, the new way to lash extensions effect. I have never had lash extensions in my life. My best friend Alba gets them. I know they're a thing, and I know a lot of girls get them, but I personally don't want to start doing that because then that's gonna end up like I was getting my brows done, which I need to pluck them, but when I was getting my brows done, I was getting my nails done, you know, like the only thing I get done professionally now is my hair, because clearly my impulsiveness would just want to put bleach all over and just be blonde, but then I would fry off my hair, so we can't do that. But I've been wanting to try this for a while now. Heard mixed things. I'm scared. Seems pretty self-explanatory, and we're sitting in my living room. I have one of my mirrors here. We have basically comes with all the wispies, the overnighter, the remover, the sealer and bonder. I don't know about the overnighter, but I'm just gonna use all the other stuff. The remover, these nifty, oh, they're metal. I like that. I feel like sometimes with these kits, everything's like plastic and you're just like, okay, cool. Overnighter. Cool. Put on top when you want to reinforce it. So these two I don't need right now, so we'll put over there. But I don't want to curl my lashes, but these are what my natural lashes look like. They're kind of non-existent without mascara. Hi. Hello. Booby's right here. She's like, Mommy, what are you doing? But I heard that girls are doing this with like fake lashes too. Oh, that feels disgusting. I really hate that. Phone call. We're back in action. Your girl is full on doing it now. I don't know. I just started doing it while I was on the phone. But I've discovered that the long ones actually, I think, look better than... No, this is not going to stick now. The long ones probably look better on me than the medium ones. Because I was just going to do one long and then medium. They actually look really good. Like, I'm shocked. I'm just going to actually put a tiny bit more on the ends of my lashes there because I might put one there. Even though I probably don't have. That is what we're looking like. It's kind of subtle. So I have two long, a medium, and a short. I don't know. I just wanted to try this kit out. So it might end up driving me insane. I might have to rip them off. But that's what the one eye is looking like so far compared to my other eye. I'll do the other eye and I'll come back and I'll show you. I don't know. Okay, so in conclusion, you guys, this is what they look like. I mean, they kind of look a little wonky probably, but I did the best that I could. I feel like this side is definitely a little bit more, you know, shaky. Put on lash extensions before. I kind of like this idea though. We're going to test this out for a week and see how it goes. I used a lot of long ones. I actually used like two long ones, a medium, and then a small. Obviously, you don't have to do that. I literally did my entire lash line. I don't think you have to do that. You don't want to, but that's just what I did. Very comfortable. Really impressed. I guess you're supposed to reinforce it with this, but I'm just going to wait a few days and then maybe I will go back and reinforce it. I would like to make these last for a couple weeks if at all possible. Oh my god, I have to text Alba and be like, that's what I did. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I have been very bad about vlogging. Here's Al. Oh my god, my hair keeps getting caught underneath my nails, so I think it's time that I redo them. But here's David. I know, I wasn't expecting that either. Anyway, I cut my hair and I'm I actually kind of wanted to go a little shorter, but I'm happy I didn't. My hair was dead. We're gonna go get food and coffee. My mom's, because I have 2 giant loads of laundry over there I have to pick up to put away today, so that's gonna be like my project of the day. But
hey, walk a lot.
yeah, look who it is. Here's my bean girl. I really hope my plates come soon. Like, I'm like really irritated about that.
The guy said that it takes a while.
I know. But considering, I mean, my temporary ones expire the middle of September, or like September something. I got my hair done, I cut my hair, I feel like a bad again. However, since I slept on it, now it's starting to look like crap again, which is great.
It looks beautiful.
Oh, thank you, baby. Hot pink, juicy. Well, it's not really juicy. It's from Fashion Nova butter, because I'm trying to invoke fall. I think I'm finally getting to the point now where I just don't want summer anymore. I want fall, because I'm buying all these fall things, and you guys just saw my haul. I'm ready for fall fully and wholeheartedly. David, nobody wants winter.
I do.
Winter is cold and sad and miserable. Up until Christmas, in that time, I don't want winter anymore. Get life together. Tomorrow's supposed to rain all day, so I don't think I'm gonna end up going grocery shopping with my mom. I don't know if I told you guys about the sunglasses fiasco yet. Probably not, but yeah, update on the lash extensions. They're gone. I could not sleep with them. They drove me absolutely insane. I was really paranoid I was gonna wake up with like an eye infection or something. Paranoid that I was gonna wake up, my eyes were gonna be glued shut. I don't think they're for me for I could definitely just wear them for like a day or so, or apply my lashes like that, but other than that, I don't think I could wear them to sleep. That's why I don't think I could ever do real lash extensions too, because I'd just be so paranoid that they'd fall off, or like my eye have a reaction. And I am so weird about having issues with my eyes, so I have an eye issue. I'm irritated. I hate it worse than anything else. I started getting a sore throat last night. I kind of have one right now, so I'm hoping that it'll go away. But I think it's the changing of seasons, and this weather has been a little weird. We've had a couple chilly days, or chilly mornings, and then there's a few days it's only been 70, so that could be why. I'll definitely have to get some cough drops at some point to restock up my stash. Hey guys, so it's later now. I just laid down, talked to Nate for a little bit. He was playing video games. Gooby's in her spoon. I don't think I told you guys that, and at least I haven't had a chance to tell you this yet. I have purchased this pair of sunglasses now 3 times. Most of you guys know from a previous vlog that I ended up breaking my last pair. Before this I broke, and then the pair before this I accidentally left Friday night out at Bertucci's with my mom, and when we went back to get it, they claimed they couldn't find them, they didn't see them, blah 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 basically. So this is the 3rd pair of these sunglasses that I've bought. So if something happens to these again, I'm done. This is, I've never had any issue. I don't do that. I don't leave my stuff behind, so I don't know what's going on with me. I also still don't feel good right now, so I'm gonna take some meds. I was using these, but obviously the black ones are a little bit bigger. I don't know if it's just because of the frame. They're basically the same thing, but I just like the black ones better. I'm actually making some tea in my new Halloween redone mug. I'm gonna go lay down again because my head really hurts. I'm gonna take a Tylenol or half a Tylenol, whatever. We'll go from there, right, Bunny? Right? Yeah, my baby. He's your bunny. Oh, don't you dare. Don't drink that tea. That's not gonna taste good. So you probably can't even see me, but I just took some Tylenol. I'm actually feeling really hot, but I'm wearing pants right now, so I don't really feel feverish. I just feel hot, but I'm always hot in this house when it's, I don't know, I'm always cold, but I feel hot right now, so that's a little unusual for me. I might take a COVID test later if this gets worse, but I mean, I just have what it feels like a headache, a pressure headache, sore throat kind of. Like I said before in the vlog, there's a couple days where it's been literally only 70 degrees and cool and everything, which is great, but then there are days where it's been humid. I don't know, but I made some pizza rolls and I have my tea. Gooby's going through the clean laundry. Good morning, guys. I have this bad habit of where I vlog like a little bit and then I'm like, oh, I don't like it, so then I delete it and then I do it again. Oh, this is one of those times. Good morning. Can we first of all acknowledge how like my hair was like almost down to here when I cut it, so this was a big chop, but I actually really like it and I'm nice and silvery white again, so I can stop complaining. And Kayleen's like, I think it's almost every time you're almost ready to get your hair done. I am forfeiting the coffee this morning. I still feel like absolute Hi, Bonnie. My bun. What are you doing? Oh, okay. You're gonna try and come down here. This is all the honey I have left, you guys. And I bought this thing last fall, so this thing has lasted, which I'm shocked. Every year I'm sick on Christmas, which is random, but it's true. I'll let my tea steep. Shout out to my new Halloween cup I got from TJ Maxx, Ray Don mug. And for the record, the only reason I like these mugs is because they're huge and I like that they just randomly say stuff, and David actually really likes them too, and our whole cabinet is filled with them now. So the worst time sleeping last night. I couldn't go to bed till like 1. It's been like an ongoing thing the last few weeks. Like I've had like hot and cold flashes. I feel like I'm cold from the AC, and then have the blanket on me. And then I get really hot, the blanket off, put the AC back on, or put the fan on, and it's just it's a cycle. It's been a cycle the last few weeks, which I think is part of the reason why I am sick right now. So that's fun. Also, my husband is my own personal heater, especially in the winter time. Love it, because my house is freezing. No matter what we do, it's freezing. Also, I did have double the testosterone in this house a couple weeks ago when Nate was here. So, like, he also has, I want to say Nate's body heat is way worse than David's. I'm just used to David's, so Nate's was like, holy shit. So both of them and me just sitting watching TV was just like, wow, it's a sauna in here. This is great. I don't know it could also be the weather too, like I said. I feel like so I actually might take a COVID test today just to rule it out, because if I have COVID, I can't go and do some stuff I have to do this week. Like I have to go get a parking pass at my work, then I'm all set for next week because I'm not dealing with it next week. I'm not doing that again. That was awful. Particularly possibly go grocery shopping by myself this week. I don't know if I'm going to. I might just wait, or I might just have David pick up stuff when he's done working. I don't know if I'm just like sick from the weather or if I have COVID, and I don't want to go right to COVID. The hot and cold flash thing has really been kind of annoying, so I wonder, but I don't feel feverish right now. I just feel throat hurts, my head kind of hurts a little bit, and I'm hot as hell. I think I have one more in here, so we're actually going to do that right now. I want to roll it out. I still feel like crap. And I did just talk to Nate. Abandoned me. Funny, because this is the same test that I paid $20 on Amazon for, like when everyone was getting COVID at my job, and I didn't get it, which was a shock. So that was great. The only thing that sucks about this is actually doing it. I hate it. Oh. Alright, there's our sample. I actually do. This is like the one that I actually really like. The one that my mom got me from Walgreens one time was like, that was like such a mechanism. It's so annoying.